What's up YouTube? My name is Frederica Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my lasagna rolls. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. In my very large bowl, I have 3 containers of 32 ounces of ricotta cheese. And I'm going to season it. I have here about 3 tablespoons of salt. You don't have to use all of it. I have it just in case I need more or less. I'll go ahead and use all of it because I do have quite a bit of ricotta cheese. I'm gonna put in 3 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 4 teaspoons of chopped parsley, here I have about 6 teaspoons of chopped garlic, and I'm gonna add in 6 eggs. Of course, you won't need as many eggs if you're making a smaller batch, but like I said, I have like 3 containers of 32 ounces of ricotta cheese, so. Okay, and we're gonna mix all of that together. Now that I have everything mixed in, I did separate some of this out because I'm not gonna add the meat into all of it. Over here, I do have some ground turkey that I have cooked and seasoned, and I chopped up some onion and cooked that in as well. And I just seasoned this with a little bit of basil, some more oregano, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of pepper. I didn't season it just too much because I knew I was gonna season my ricotta. So I just add my meat to my cheese mixture. And you can add as much or as little as you like. I'm just gonna stir that up. Bit more meat. Okay, now we're ready to form our rolls. Okay guys, so now it is time to roll our lasagna rolls. And as you can see, I've already done a couple, and I just put them in a deep baking pan, and I just line mine with aluminum foil, and that's just what I do. Just makes it for easy cleanup. I sprayed the bottom of the aluminum foil with some non-stick cooking spray, and I've already lined it with my choice of spaghetti sauce. It really doesn't matter what kind of sauce you choose to use, is really to your own preference. So I have some lasagna noodles here. They're already been boiled and drained. And just a little tip to keep these from sticking together, because they will stick together on you if they're sitting. Add a little virgin olive oil on there, and it will prevent them from sticking together, because once they get stuck together, when you're trying to pull them apart, you'll stand the risk of them tearing. So that's just a little tip. But all you're gonna do is just gonna go down the length of the noodle. You're gonna add your cheese mixture, and then you're just gonna roll it up. Don't mind the fact that yes, some of it is seeping out. Lasagna is a messy dish, so all of it is not gonna stay in, but just a little tip, don't roll them really tight. You want to roll them kind of loose. And by rolling them a little looser, it will keep more of your filling in. Okay, and this is all it is to it. Just gonna roll it up and place them in the pan like so. And you're gonna do this until you roll up all of your noodles. Like I said, you're gonna roll these very lightly and they're gonna be loose. You don't want them really tight because you'll squeeze out all the filling, okay? So I'm gonna finish rolling all of my noodles. Then I'm gonna come back once it's time to put them in the oven. I'm gonna show you what they should look like right before you get ready to put them in the oven. Okay guys, so I have all of my lasagna rolls finished, and now I'm going to top them off with some more of the spaghetti sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna cover it with my mozzarella. Okay, I'm gonna cover it with foil. Now I'm ready to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes on 400 degrees. We'll come back when it's ready. Okay guys, here it is. Here is the finished product right out of the oven. And that looks so good. Our super easy lasagna rolls. And this is the meal that I would make during pretty much any weekday. It is pretty quick to make, and the good thing about these is you can also make them in advance, put them in the fridge, or you can freeze them until you're ready to make them, then just pop them in the oven, bake them for 45 minutes to an hour if you're cooking them from frozen, and there you go. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed my video of how I make my lasagna rolls. If you like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button down below, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.